Did you know that cigarette filters are not just a simple addition to prevent ash and tar from getting into your lungs, but they also play a significant role in shaping the entire smoking industry? In the 1950s, a clever marketing trick was introduced by Marlboro cigarettes, which made their product stand out from the competition. Instead of using expensive materials like gold or silver for their filters, the company opted for a cheap and readily available material, cellulose acetate. This innovative decision not only reduced production costs, but also allowed Marlboro to differentiate its product from other brands on the market. The cigarette filter became a key component in the iconic red and white packaging design of Marlboro cigarettes, which has remained largely unchanged since its introduction. But what's interesting is that the material used in these filters wasn't as harmless as it seemed. Cellulose acetate, a type of plastic derived from plant fibers, was initially thought to be biodegradable. However, further research revealed that it does not break down easily and can persist in the environment for hundreds of years. When cigarette butts are discarded on the ground, these tiny pieces of cellulose acetate can accumulate and create a significant amount of waste. The environmental impact of this material isn't just limited to aesthetics, it also poses health risks when ingested by animals or humans. Studies have shown that microplastics, including those found in cigarette filters, can contaminate soil and water sources, which can eventually affect the food chain. This is why many cities around the world are starting to implement no-ash policies, encouraging smokers to properly dispose of their cigarette butts. But the story doesn't end there. The development of new materials for cigarette filters has led to an interesting twist in history. In recent years, there has been a surge in the production and use of recycled paper pulp, which could potentially replace traditional cellulose acetate. This eco-friendly alternative aims to minimize waste while still meeting consumer demand. The trend towards sustainable cigarette filters is driven by growing public awareness about environmental concerns. As governments worldwide implement stricter regulations on smoking, tobacco companies are forced to adapt to new standards and technologies. One result of this shift has been a notable decrease in the use of non-biodegradable materials like cellulose acetate. Another surprising fact about cigarette filters lies in their impact on art. Yes, you read that right, art. In 2018, the Tobacco Art exhibit took place in London's Sarchite Gallery, showcasing an impressive collection of cigarette filter sculptures. The artist's use of discarded materials not only highlighted the often overlooked issue of waste, but also challenged perceptions about smoking. The story of cigarette filters goes beyond just their environmental implications and artistic applications. It speaks to the complex interplay between consumer choice, corporate strategy, and societal values. As society grapples with the ongoing debate over tobacco use, innovative solutions like sustainable materials and eco-friendly packaging will play a significant role in shaping the future of this industry. While cigarette filters may seem like an inconsequential aspect of smoking, their influence extends far beyond the product itself, shedding light on broader issues such as waste management, corporate responsibility, and artistic expression. The next time you stub out a cigarette, remember that even the simplest actions have the potential to ripple out and impact our world in meaningful ways. The story of cigarette filters serves as a reminder that the simple act of smoking is often accompanied by profound social, economic, and environmental implications. By shedding light on this overlooked aspect of tobacco history, we can gain a deeper understanding of how human behavior influences the world around us.